Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video, bougie on a budget style. If y'all want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay dolls, so we have a package from Glam LA Store. This is the box or the packaging that it came in. It's actually the same package from last time, but I separated the items. So yeah, we got some really cute jewelry pieces in this video. I have some more stuff coming in the mail that's not here yet. Oh, and do y'all like my hair? Like this your girl hair. Like this my real hair. Like not joking, for real. This my real hair. Yeah, my curls feel. But anyways, so to get started, y'all know this is the business card. Business card is super cute. I love this, okay? So that's the card. Also, their Instagram is Glam LA Store. The website is glamlastore.com. So they also included this. And then I also have my invoice with my items. I have checked off the items that we did in the last video. So I have a few pieces to show you in this video, which are a lot of Louis Vuitton pieces. And y'all love Louis V, and a lot of y'all love gold jewelry as well. So I think that will be really fun to show y'all because it's a lot of gold. Y'all know I love silver. I love gold as well, but you know, it's a lot of gold stuff and I know y'all love gold. So this is the box. Glam LA Jewelry Store. Super cute. So let's get started. And I'm just gonna go down my invoice in the order of the way that the items are listed. So the first piece that we have is the Key to My Heart set necklace. Okay, so this necklace is a Louis Vuitton lock and key. And it is small and dainty, so it's really cute for like everyday kind of wear. So I'm gonna do a close-up to show y'all how it looks. So this is the necklace. I'm gonna put it on, even though I have silver jewelry on. Obviously you'll be able to tell the difference. On the chain you can wear it longer or shorter because it does have several different options for where you can actually clasp the chain. So I'm just going to turn it around real quick and put it on for y'all. I didn't put it on the tightest setting or the loosest setting. It's kind of more so towards being on the looser setting. So this is how the necklace looks on me. And the lock is able to move, so you know, depending on how it falls, you will be able to see the LV or not. But that is how it looks. I think it's really cute and dainty. Like, it's not too big. It's definitely like a everyday kind of piece. And the gold color is more of a brassy gold. Like, it's not super shiny. And you will see I have some pieces that are more so on the shiny gold side compared to this necklace. So that is the Key to My Heart necklace set. And then next we have the Luxe bracelet. Actually, these next three bracelets are the Luxe bracelets. So they're all called the same thing, but they are different. So I'll just show you the different ones that I have. And some of these are more shiny, and then one of them is more like this necklace, so it will be a perfect pairing. I'll go ahead and show you that first. So this is the bracelet here. I'll do a close-up. Y'all can see. So yeah, you can see all of the little flower charms and the LV charms. So super cute. I'm not going to actually clasp all of the bracelets because it takes me forever to really get my bracelets on, but I will kind of lay it on myself to show y'all how they look. And you can stack up these bracelets and stuff, and I think it's really cute. So this is how she looks. You can see the flower, and then the LV, and then the other little flower charms. I think that's what Louis Vuitton calls them, right? Aren't they flowers? So that is that. This one is more so similar to the chain to me. Okay, so that is that one. And then also we have this one, which is really pretty. And this one is super blinged out. This one is kind of shorter as well, so it does kind of take me some work to get it on. I could do it, it just take me some time. So this is how she looks. You have the flower symbols all the way around. It does not have an LV on it, so I think this is really pretty, like to layer, and you can layer it up with bangles or any kind of bracelets. So this is really pretty. I like this one a lot as well. Plus it has those little stones in there. Yeah, she is really cute. Then we also have another Luxe bracelet, and this one is really cute as well. Oh, and also on the ends of the bracelets, two of them, the one that is more brassy on the end, it does have a little LV dangle. So you have the little LV dangle. And then this one that I'm about to show you has the LV dangle as well. This one is really cute as well. And this one would be really pretty paired with the last one that I showed you. So this is how this one looks. Of the flowers and the LV symbol in the middle. So that is that one. And this one has stones in it. So for example, you're wearing this one and you're wearing this one as well. Like that is really cute together. Like they're similar, but they're not the same. So it's like a nice, cute little dainty stack. I like that. If you wanted to, you could also throw this one in as well. Although this one, if you can see, the gold is more brassy than these two are more shiny gold. So those are all three of them together. Okay. This one is also a Luxe bracelet. I don't know why I didn't say that, but this one is also a Luxe bracelet as well. And this one is a chunky gold chain, but it does have the LV and the flowers like embossed onto the chain. Let me see if I can show y'all up close. So you can actually see the LVs, but you can kind of see that there is something engraved into the chains. And then this is how it looks. So that is how she looks. And just to play around, I just want to show y'all, like, it would be really cute with these more dainty ones as well. Like, that's really cute. Or just do one, you know, really cute. So those are the Luxe bracelets. Okay, so all of those are super, super cute. And then lastly, we have a pair of earrings, and these are not Louis Vuitton. Mostly in this video, I've shown you Louis Vuitton pieces, but these are a Gucci piece, and these are called Life is Gucci, okay? And this is how these look. So it just has the double G logo and the brassy gold. So that is the earrings. And I will go ahead and put them on for you so you can see how they actually look, you know, in my ears and on my face. Okay, so this is how these look. I'm gonna get up close. So these are the Gucci earrings. These are really cute, and they are definitely a statement piece as well, especially if you have any like Gucci bags or anything like that. They would be really cute with that. Or even if you have like the belt or just, you know, any other kind of Gucci piece that you want to pair it with. But it would also be cute even without that as well, just to give your ears a nice pop. And I don't really have like a lot of Gucci stuff in general, so I think this is a nice little addition, and I think these are really, really cute. Those are all the items that I got from Glam LA Store in this video. If y'all have questions, you can leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Glam LA Store. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.